In this video from Device Doctor, we'll show you how to fix HP LaserJet Enterprise 700M712 USB detection issue step by step, so your printer will be recognized by your computer without any problem.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
As you can see, the USB cable is securely connected to both the printer and the computer, yet the computer fails to recognize the printer. To resolve the issue, go to the printer menu and open the administration option. Now open the General Settings option. Now scroll down to the bottom and select the Restore Factory Settings option. Now, select the Restore option and press OK to reset the printer to its original factory settings. The printer reset will take approximately 10 minutes. Make sure the printer remains powered on during this time, and wait until the reset is fully completed. Now select your preferred language. Now set the date and time accurately. Now the most important part of this video. Select the Enable USB port option. Remember, the computer must be connected to the printer via the USB cable while enabling the USB port. Now perform a test print to check if the issue is resolved. If you look at the device and printer settings in Windows, you will see that the printer is now properly recognized. That's it for this video from Device Doctor. Now your HP LaserJet Enterprise 700M712 USB port is fully enabled, and the printer will be recognized by your computer. Follow these steps carefully to avoid any issues, and stay tuned for more step-by-step printer and laptop repair tutorials.